Are you interested in bringing the hippest and hottest form of entertainment to your next party, special event, or venue? We'd like to introduce you to Bobbing Heads, the latest form of green screen video entertainment that will keep your guests entertained and laughing for hours. Bobbing Heads uses the magic of green screen to superimpose participants' heads onto animated video sets, as well as professional dancing bodies. They can choose to sing along or just bop their heads to age-defining music. Bobbing Heads is suitable for audiences of all ages, and due to its popularity, is sure to achieve pop culture status. All guests can receive a DVD of their Bobbing Heads experience to take home with them, whether it's a birthday party, bar mitzvah, corporate event, or fundraiser. Bobbing Heads is sure to make your next event a successful one, while being different from all the rest.
You can't touch it. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look at my